Young cub Mufasa spends most of his time in the safety of the cave with his father, who is both his protector and mentor. His father patiently teaches him the essential techniques of hunting, showing him how to stalk prey and navigate the wild with precision. In the quiet moments between lessons, he shares stories of life, tales of courage, wisdom, and the importance of balance in the natural world. These lessons and stories not only bond them as father and son but also prepare Mufasa for the challenges that await him in the wilderness. Young cub Mufasa eagerly listens as his father imparts lessons about the wonders of nature. Together, they explore the vast wilderness, where his father points out the delicate balance of life, the harmony between predator and prey, the role of the sun and rain, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Through these teachings, Mufasa learns to respect the land and understand his place within the circle of life. His father's wisdom shapes his young mind, instilling a deep appreciation for the beauty and responsibility of living in harmony with nature. Mustafa learned an important lesson from his father about the art of timing in the wild, when to hunt and when to refrain. His father explained that hunting was not just about survival but also about respecting the natural order. They would observe the herds, understanding the rhythms of their movements and choosing moments that would not disrupt the balance of life. His father emphasized the need to avoid hunting during times when the prey were weak or their numbers were low, teaching Mufasa the value of patience and restraint. This lesson instilled in him a sense of responsibility and respect for the ecosystem, shaping him into a thoughtful and wise young lion. Mufasa learned from his father the critical balance between action and caution, when to attack and when to hide. His father taught him that a successful hunter knows the value of patience and observation. He showed Mufasa how to read the signs of the land, to sense danger, and to gauge the strength of his opponents. The thrill of navigating the unknown filled him with excitement as he discovered hidden corners of the jungle that came alive at night. Fireflies danced like tiny lanterns, and the distant calls of other creatures taught him about the rhythm of life after sundown.